For 4th and 5th grade, Mystery Science has created anchor lessons. It's a unit starter that gets the unit started, you do the mysteries, and then there's a performance task at the end. The anchor lessons don't show up. If you don't have an anchor here, that means that you don't have the anchor lessons. So I want to show you how to get those. If you'll scroll to the top, click on your name again, scroll down, and see right here it says anchor layer. Click that, choose save, and then when you go back to your lessons, now there's an anchor, so that shows you that you have those lesson starters. So for Chemical Magic, the unit starter is Disappearing Gargoyles. You do that before the mystery. You'll do your mysteries, and then in the end, there's a performance task. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.